How to use exterior wash by Posh Auto Care. Step 1, you want to make sure your vehicle is cool to the touch and out of direct sunlight. If it's excessively dirty, you can pre-rinse your vehicle. For maximum suds in a foam cannon, you're going to want to use 2 or 3 ounces, which is about 2 or 3 squeezes of exterior wash in your foam cannon with 500 mils of hot water. We found this ratio to be perfect to wash an entire car and to individually clean all 4 wheels. We like to use 1 ounce of exterior wash in your wash bucket, activate it with hot water, and begin your washing stage. Exterior wash is pH neutral and it is safe for all paintworks, film surfaces, and vinyl and ceramic coated surfaces as well. We like to use microfibers to wash our vehicles here in the Posh Lab, and that might be a bit surprising to some people, but this way we're able to rotate our wash mitts and our towels more often to ensure less scratching or contamination in the mitts. We found over time that wash mitts just don't get washed as much as they needed. When we're washing the car, we like to work from the top of the car all the way to the bottom of the car, usually because the top section is a lot less dirty than the bottom. During the wash process, you want to make sure to be completely wringing out and rotating between your dirty and clean towels. As they get dirty, put them right in the wash bin to get cleaned and used for your next wash. The final step, make sure you thoroughly rinse your vehicle and then move on to the drying stage. To learn more about exterior wash and our other range of detailing products, visit poshautocare.ca today.